First, you rough dry the hair. As you rough dry, pick up the strands of hair and blow dry away from your scalp to create volume, focusing on drying the roots only. Next, you section the hair into 3 sections using clips. In each section, place the round brush at the root and lift up and away from the head, blow drying the root to create more volume. Blow dry the mids by dragging the brush and blow dryer through the hair and towards the ends. Wrap the ends around the brush and wind the brush up to the root like a roller. Hold for a few seconds to cool, then release. Finish by running the blow dryer through the hair to marry all of the sections.